Hello guys, now I'm going to show you how to exploit the misconfigured network file system NFS of metasploitable2 machine to gain the root access of the machine. So open up your Kali machine and check the IP address of your machine by typing ifconfig. The IP address is 192.168.86.128 and open up your metasploitable machine. Log in with MSF admin as a username and MSF admin also as a password, and now type ifconfig previous case. Okay, now IP address of this machine is 192.168.86.131. okay, now check the port scanning list of the metasploitable2 machine, that is nano nmapscan.txt. okay, hey, this is the port scanning list of the metasploitable2 machine, the IP address of the metasploitable2 machine. Okay, now get nmapscan.txt egrep -i nfs RPC bind and SSH. So here 22 TCP port open for SSH, 111 open for RPC bind, and 2049 port open for NFS. okay, now we're going to check the RPC info. So man RPC info. So the RPC info makes an RPC call to an RPC server and reports what it finds. So I'm going to check what services the RPC of the metasploitable2 machine are running. These are the services that metasploitable2 machine RPC runs on the metasploitable2. So I'm going to check only for NFS. So these are the NFS services that are running on the port 2049. okay, now I'm going to check the mount option. Show mount. So here show mount queries the mount daemon on a remote host. So show mount -e 192.168.86.131. here export list for the whole world, nothing is here, so no mount for the 192.168.86.131. okay, so now type cd root mount, type of the file is NFS, and the IP address of the machine, and then mnt mount. This is the folder where we're going to mount this, -o no lock. okay, or we can enter df -h. so here we mount the metasploitable2 machine. okay, now going to the home. Now we are going to make a directory named root.ssh and cd root.ssh ls. So we are going to generate key ssh key gen for generating the key. Type of the key is RSA and bits of the key is 4096. Generating the key. Okay, turn type ls. So these are the keys are generated. So the keys are generated for the machine. So now going to cd root and now going to mnt and root.ssh ls. Now copy our root.ssh id underscore rsa dot pub mnt root.ssh ls. So here we copied and then get id underscore rsa dot pub2 authorized key dot. Okay, now get authorized keys. So here we can get the root@kali. This is our RSS key. Now we are going to root.ssh and here type the command ssh minus I dot slash root.ssh id underscore rsa and root at the rate 192.168.86.131 and yes, and that who am I. So here we can get the root access of the metasploitable machine. Now going to check I have configured the IP address is 192.168.831 and get etc shadow. So these are the file which is only allowed by the root user. Okay.